Okay, everyone, welcome back to CodeLibrary.net tutorial. In the video, I will continue talking about OOPs in C# program. Okay, in the last video, I have introduced to use class and object by create a first class and calling some object to use object and calling access to come to some methods and assign properties. Okay, in this video we will continue to uh, I will continue to talk about inheritance and other concept of OOPs. Now let's get start to open the last example in the last video. Inheritance is the one of importance in four pillar of OOPs. That the first is encapsulation and abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. Firstly, I would like to talk about inheritance. Inheritance means that is the relationship between one class to another class. In order to create inheritance or relationship between class, you need to create the first class that we call base class, and something that you want to inherit class member from base class to another class that we call parent class is we call relationship between base class and derived class that we call inheritance. So in order to making inheritance or implement inheritance between class to another class, example, I have one class is called class animals. So I can create another class that I want to inherit or to get members inside here, such as property, uh, methods, and constructor inside class animal to another class. I can say class animal is the base class. Okay, I can say base class. So I will create another class that I can call derived class because I want to call or access something and inherit something that inside this big class to another class. So I can create another class called uh, derived class. In derived class, I can say class. I can create class dog. Okay, class dog inherits animals. Okay. When we implement like this, I have a class base. I have base class is animals, and I I have a class animal, and I will create another class that called derived class. Is I create class dog that inherits from class animal, because when I create object from class dog, object or in new instance in class dog will get something uh, inside class animal is the base class. So when I implement example, when I implement um, or I can create new object from class dog. Example, I can say dog equal new dog, and when I implement dog, okay, and you can get access to anything, or I get access to property, access to method inside class animal that is the base class. So this is a inheritance. Okay, and you can access something, access anything such as a dot get age. Okay, dot dot get name example, dot animal sound, dot dot get age, dot get name. Just I can see dog get animal sound, woo woos. Okay, in totally, when you implement the inheritance of concept OOP, mean that when the object that we create from the class that we inherit, that we implement inheritance, is can get anything from class member that stay in the base class, like that. Okay, and another ways I can uh, say console dot write line dot name dot get name, and I can write another console lines dot age dot get age, and I can say such as console dot write lines dot sound dot get sound here. Okay, I can console dot read line in order to stop console. Okay, now I can save and run my code. Waiting for okay. Okay, now as you can see, the result is something that happened when we use inheritance in C# programming language. Thank you everyone for watching video. If you like, please share and subscribe and put some like to my video. See you in the next video. I will talk another concept of OP such as abstraction, concept polymorphism, and encapsulation also. Okay. Thank you. See you next video.